In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert your square picture into a circle frame using Canva. This is a handy trick, especially if you're looking to create a professional layout for social media posts, presentations, or any other project that demands a touch of creativity and polish. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and head over to your Canva project where you've got that square photo ready to go. If you haven't started a project yet, don't worry, it's easy to create one. Just click on Create a Design on the Canva homepage, and you can choose from a variety of sizes and templates. But for today's task, we'll focus on integrating your already existing square photo. Once you're in your project, direct your attention to the panel on the left side of the screen. Click on Elements. This section of Canva is like a treasure trove of shapes, graphics, and frames that can elevate any design. Now we need a circle frame, so let's go ahead and search for it in the search bar within the Elements section. Simply type circle frame and press enter. You should see several results, but don't feel overwhelmed. Click on the one that suits your design needs. Next, when you click on your chosen circle frame, it will appear directly on your canvas. You can move it around freely, resize it, and position it exactly where you want your photo to appear. It's incredibly flexible, so feel free to play around with the layout to suit your artistic vision. Now comes the fun part, taking your square photo and slotting it into this circle frame. Go ahead and click and drag your square picture over to the canvas. You'll notice that as you hover over the circle frame, Canva highlights it, indicating that your photo can be nested within. Release your mouse button and watch as your photo automatically adjusts to fit perfectly within that circle. It's like magic, really. The integration is seamless. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a professional touch to your design, making your image stand out in a sleek, engaging way. This method is not only swift, but adds a layer of sophistication to your designs without requiring advanced graphic design skills. This technique can be applied to various projects, so don't hesitate to experiment with different photos and frames. A circular photo can be perfect for profile images, logos, or any design that requires a cohesive and stylish element. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has inspired you to get creative in Canva. Let your imagination guide you, and happy designing!